scratch my back, I will scratch your back. If you do this for me, that's when I will do for you that thing that you are even qualified for. That's not good. Sanapabon, Kodara, no es bueno. This is not the breaking news for today. Today being December 9th. Now me, your girl, your friend, your neighbor, your sister. Me, then they call me Buki over Sabi because I sabi too many things. I carry today breaking news come for us. Today, 9th of December, is International Anti-Corruption Day. Corruption undermines justice, fairness, and trust. When someone is not qualified for something and you go sneaky to get it done, or you say you buy your way through, sometimes you say, government didn't do this, government did that, government is corrupt. How about you? How about me? Let's start from within. In French, we will say, l'équité et la confiance est bueno, est bien. Aujourd'hui, engageons-nous pour l'intégrité, la transparence dans chacune de nos actions. In all our actions, let's be transparent. Why does it matter? Corruption affects every society, every aspect of the society. It slows down progress and it harms the most vulnerable, being women and children. When we stand against it together, we'll pave a way for justice, equality, and sustainable development. Maybe a good read your SDGs. Why not be a part of the solution? Choose integrity in your actions before you demand accountability from leaders. In French, I will say, fais partie de la solution. Choisissez l'intégrité dans vos actions et exigez de comptes de dirigeants. In Yoruba, I will say to us, ẹ jẹ́ kí a pa òdodo mọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a gbìyànjú láti máa ṣe òdodo ní gbogbo ìgbà. Nínú ohun tí ẹ̀ ń ṣe, ẹ fi àwọn olórí kọ́ ọgbọ́n. In Spanish, c'est parte de la solución. Elige la integridad en tus acciones y exige responsabilidad de los líderes. If you and I are able to uphold integrity from our individual lives, then we can hold our leaders accountable. How you see today's breaking news, but now just to make our society a better place. May you now have a nice day. God bless you.